So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can create AI videos for free and post it on your social media. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect where you can create AI videos for free and post it on your social media. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And further, I'll give you a very amazing discount coupon code with the help of which you can get a very heavy discount. But let's first see how this automation can be created. So as you can see that this is the AI video which I've already created using this automation.
From intelligent lighting to security you manage.
So as you can see that this talks about my brand name also. Just listen to this once.
Hello from Prime Properties. Let's talk about smart home features. Beyond gadgets.
So as you can see, the AI videos which are getting created are very useful for any business. So now let's see how to create them. For that, you just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. You just have to log in inside Pabbly Connect and open dashboard and then click on this create workflow and then create from scratch. Now simply name this workflow as AI videos and simply select the folder and click on this create button. Now you can see the workflow builder will open. This is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Now to start, you just have to select the trigger application. So select it as schedule if you want to schedule this workflow for every day. Like I want every day at 12 p.m. a new video will be posted on my social media channels. I've selected the same. For the event, just select it as schedule workflow and click on this connect. It is saying how often do you want to run your workflow. So I am just going to select it as every day. Over here you can select this according to your own choice. I want the time to be 12 p.m. so I've selected the same and clicked on the save button. Now this workflow is scheduled for every day 12 p.m. Now using Gemini, we're just going to generate these videos. For that, click on this add new action step. In order to generate the videos, we first have to generate the script or the input text, all right? And for that also we are using Gemini. So what you have to do is you have to search for Gemini right over here and just choose Gemini. For the event, you have to select it as generate content. So search for that and select it and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, just open your Google AI Studio. Once you open your Google AI Studio, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this get API key section and then create API key button. Name your key, choose the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Make sure that you have a paid account to do this, otherwise it won't work, okay? So now you just have to copy the key and paste it right over here in your workflow, then click on this save and a Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to click on the select existing connection and then save. Now it is asking me for the text, which is the prompt using which it's just going to generate the script or the input text for the video further. So I'm just going to enter the prompt right over here. For that, I'm just going to simply copy it from my previous workflow. As you can see, this is the prompt, so I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. This prompt is very specific towards my Facebook page and my business. So if you want this prompt, you can comment prompt and I'm just going to share you this prompt. What you can do is you can simply give this prompt to any AI tool and ask it to create a prompt something like this for your own business too, okay? So as you can see, I've successfully entered the prompt right over here. Now I'm just going to move on further. It is going to ask me for the model, so I'm just going to choose the model as this only. For the method, I'm just going to select it as generate content and click on the save and send test request button. Now you can choose the model of your choice. It totally depends upon you. Once you click on the save and send test request button, as you can see over here, we have the video script and it looks perfectly fine. Let me just create an AI video now out of this, okay? For that, what you have to do is you have to click on this add new action step and once again search for Gemini. So I'm just going to search for Gemini, select Gemini right over here. For the event, select it as generate video. So I have to select text to video generation and then click on this connect button. We have recently connected Gemini, so click on the select existing connection and then save. Now it is saying input, so yes, this is the text or you can see the script which you have got. So it's just going to simply enter the same right over here, but we're not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we're going to map it because that is going to change with every new response. With every new response, we will have a new script, right? So that's the reason that we're going to map it. For that, just put a slash and open the response of Google AI Studio and map the same right over here. As you can see, we have successfully mapped it and click on the save and send test request button. It is going to take a few minutes to generate the video. Till then, I'll just let you know what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly, which means inserting the data from the previous step. And the data which we want to change with every new response, that's the data which we map to keep it dynamic. All right. Now, once you click on the save and send test request, you have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes so that it can generate you the video. And once your video is generated, then you can download the video or post it on any social media platform. It totally depends upon you. I'm just going to post it on Facebook just as an example, but you can post it on any social media platform, be it your Instagram, be it any another platform too. And if you want, you can definitely share it on some another channels too. As you can see, we have received the response, and over here we have received this URI. Using this URI, we can download the video. What you have to do is you just have to copy this URI and open it in a new tab. Just go back towards your workflow, and over here you're going to see in the important notes it is mentioning that to download the video you just have to copy the URI till alt equals to media. So we have done the same. Now it is saying you have to type and key equals to and then your Gemini API key. So as you can see, I have typed this and key equals to. Now I'm just going to enter my API key right over here, using which I created the connection. And after I paste this key right over here, I just have to click on this enter button, and as you can see, yes, the video has started to getting downloaded and it is downloaded over here. So let's just check how is this video.
Your budget needs a reality check. Beware of sneaky closing costs, property taxes, and home insurance. An expert helps you see the whole picture. DM us hidden costs now.
So as you can see, the video looks perfectly fine and I can post it on my social media platforms. So let me just close this, go back towards my workflow, and now let me just post it. In order to post this, click on this add new action step and search for your application. I'm just going to use Facebook as an example right over here. So I'm just going to search for Facebook and select Facebook pages right over here. For the event, select it as create page video post and click on this connect. Now in order to connect Facebook, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. Make sure that your Facebook it is logged in before starting with the automation, otherwise you'll not be getting this option of continue. So once you get this option of this continue, just click on this continue and your Facebook will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now what you have to do is you just have to select the page right over here and then enter the video URL. So in order to enter the video URL, once again you have to map the URI, then the key and then the API key. Okay, so what you have to do is you first have to enter this URI, then you have to enter this text and then your key. So over here I'm just going to go back towards my workflow and I'm just going to simply copy the same using which I downloaded the video and paste it right over here. But this is not it, because if we paste this video URL, every time this video will only post. I want that new video should be posted every day so that I can keep this dynamic. In order to do that, what I have to do is I have to just map this URI, because the rest will remain same for everything, the key and the value. I just have to map this URI with Gemini generated. So just delete this, put a slash, search for the URI and then map the URI right over here. So I'm just going to show you how you have to map the URI like this. Okay, so now this URI will change with every new response, but the rest of the details will remain same. Now let's move on further. It is saying description or caption. If you want, you can simply enter this, but this is not required right now, so I'm just going to leave it as blank and click on the save and send test request. Again, it is going to take a few seconds to post this on our social media platforms. You have to wait till that time, and as you can see, it is posted. So let me just open my Facebook now. So as you can see, this was the last video which was posted, but now when I'm just going to refresh this, yes, a new video is posted right over here. As you can see, this is the new video which is posted and it looks perfectly fine. So like this, we have successfully learned how to create AI videos for free, and then further you can post it on any social media platform according to your own choice. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Till then, go try this, and further if you have any doubts, just comment your doubts and I'll help you solve them. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I mentioned the discount coupon code which is RITYT. It can get you the highest amount of discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, so don't forget to check that out too. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.